Alright, so I'm making this video because my car didn't open from the outside, only from the inside. But one of my friends put it on child lock, so I couldn't open from the inside or outside. But I found an easier way to get it open because I seen some videos where they take off the seats and get in there to like reach in the child lock. I've seen even videos where they drill holes to get to the child lock, and found an easier way. So let me put this on back again on child lock because I just took it off. So your door, my door I mean, doesn't open from the inside, right? So it's open, it doesn't open. I already took off the screw though because I'm gonna show you here in a little bit. And let me go check the outside. Alright, so you guys see it doesn't open from the outside neither, and neither from the inside. So when you put it on child lock, it makes the level distance shorter, so it won't open. But if you take off the screw and just take off your cover right here, what I do is I just pull it with the whole, frame thing, door handle, all the way, and it opens. So I guess, like I told you, it shortens the distance, and when you take off the screw and pull it a bit more, because this only pulls it a certain distance, I guess it works that way.